Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael Studebaker, and today we're going to be talking about and going over my top 7 investing apps I think are worth a try and are helpful in investing, budgeting as well, etc. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content on personal finance and investing. Now, let's get straight into the video. So here are some of the top apps that I recommend getting your finances organized and invested. These apps aren't from the traditional big stock brokers. Rather, this list includes apps from fintech disruptors to help you manage your finances and invest. So you won't find the same old list of brokers here. So all of these apps are great for beginners, and they make it easy for those just starting to invest or someone looking to play a stock picking game. So first one, Investor, best for learning about investing. Investor is what you get when you mix learning, real life, and investing community into an app that's designed to give beginners, investors, just a way to get into stocks, especially if you like games. The app combines a fantasy stock game where you can assist in managing a $200 billion virtual portfolio with access to investors' thoughts on stocks and other investments. The fantasy game gives you $1 million in virtual money, and you can use the app's social network and news feed to source ideas. The month's top performers win real cash as well. And if you want to turn some of those fantasy picks into real life stakes, you can buy fractional shares, and whole shares as well. Commission free as well. So why do you want this app? You want it to learn from a learning experience. There's a community for investing. You can hear what they like, certain stocks, and you have the game to practice on. Next thing, Wealthbase, best for the stock market. Wealthbase is just basically a newer entrant into the world of stock market games, and it may be the most user-friendly investing app out there for just having fun and picking stocks. You can set up games with friends to last however long you want, a few weeks, days, even just until the end of the day. Two things set Wealthbase apart in the stock simulator world, though. First, the app marries social media with stock picking. So you'll see a feed of stocks your friends are picking with daily updates of who's winning, and you can engage in a little friendly, talk or banter. Second, the app runs very smoothly. No delays to load, no hiccups. Even if you're not a huge stock picker, and you'll still have fun. And you can trade crypto in the simulation as well. You can access Wealthbase on the web or mobile app. So, the reason why I think you'd want this app is you like picking stocks and playing games in a social environment with friends and colleagues. Next one, Wealthfront, best for sophisticated portfolio management in my opinion. Wealthfront is one of the largest independent robo-advisors, and for a small fee, it can manage your money, whether that's in a taxable account or an IRA. Doesn't matter. Wealthfront uses low-cost ETFs to construct your portfolio and takes into account how much risk you want to take, as well as when you'll need the money. So as you deposit the money, Wealthfront will add it to your portfolio and keep your account balanced in terms of investments and on target toward your goal. Wealthfront's management fee runs 0.25% annually, which is the industry standard. So it's not too bad. It's an eminently reasonable price for the futures on offer, including automated tax loss harvesting, which effectively covers the annual fee for many clients, says the company. Wealthfront also brings an attractive cash management account. So even if you don't sign up for the investment account, and you'll also receive a competitive interest rate. So early access to direct deposited paychecks and a debit card, all without a monthly fee. So why I think you'll want this app? So all you need to do is add money to the account, and Wealthfront manages your portfolio to reach your goal with a robo-advisor. So the cash management account is cool. As a bank rate user, you get 5,000 managed for free when you open a Wealthfront investment account. And I just think it's good if you hands off, Next one, Acorn, best for savers. So Acorn is one of the oldest new breed of finance apps, but it remains one of the most popular though. So because of how easy it is to use, you really don't have to pay much attention once you set up the account or in the app. Link a debit or credit card to your account, and Acorns will round up the total on purchases to the next dollar and invest that difference into one of a few ETF portfolios. So the cost is a modest $1 per month for Acorn Lite, though the company offers other features. If you want to take a step up, you can move to Acorns Personal, which is bundled with Lite for $3 per month. This tier offers an individual retirement account, an IRA for short, and you'll be able to open, one of the three versions, the traditional, Roth, or SEP IRA. You can even roll over an existing 401k or IRA. Acorns chooses, your portfolio based on targeted time until your retirement. It's calculated as 59.5 is your age. Becoming more conservative as you near that age, This tier offers an FDIC protected checking account too, with no additional fees, and fee-free access to thousands of ATMs. And for a total of $5 per month, you can add Acorns Family, which includes the features of the first two tiers as well as investment accounts for children. So why I think you'd want this app. So you like getting automatic savings while you're spending without, really worrying about it. You like retirement investing without the hassle. So next one, Betterment. It's best for socially responsible investing. Betterment is one of the new wave of robo-advisors, and it's one of the largest and most popular. The app provides professionally managed portfolios using a selection of ETFs and is calibrated against your own risk tolerance. Betterment can also create socially responsible portfolios, including those that focus on climate change or social impact. If you're willing to stomach a little more risk, the app can find you a higher return. If you need a safer portfolio, Betterment can do that too. You can set up Betterment and then kick back while the pros or just the robots really do the rest of the work. It's similar to Wealthfront as well. So Betterment charges a much smaller price than you pay for a traditional financial advisor, which is a plus side. The management fee for the basic account amounts to 0.25%. It's a competitive rate in robo-advisor world, or $25 annually for every $10,000 you have invested. But you have to pay extra for the ETFs that Betterment invests in, as you would at any robo-advisor. This app lets you set goals to invest for, such as safety net or retirement, and there's no account minimum, So why I think you'd like this app? You'd like it if you'd like having a professionally managed portfolio for a low cost. And next one, Robinhood, best smooth trading app. Robinhood's an app to have if you like a smooth interface and avoid trading commissions. Although the online broker hasn't had the smoothest start of the year so far with a lot of controversial stuff, the app allows you to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrency all for free. And you'll be able to do it in a slick mobile interface that makes smooth work. The app is it's a stripped down app. It's simple to navigate, and after a while you'll move from screen to screen intuitively as you trade the market. You can also access a stocks page from a search bar at the top of the screen, pull up charts, vital statistics you'll need. Also useful is a feed that aggregates stories from news and investing sites, so that you keep on top of what's going on After you've decided what you want to trade and enter the number of shares to buy or sell, swipe up and the order is on its way basically. Another great feature of the app is instant delivery for the first $1,000 of any fund you deposit to the account. So you can start trading immediately. If you're a member of Robinhood Gold, a premium tier, you'll have instant deposits on higher amounts up to 50,000. But just be careful with that, So why I think you'd like this app. So if you like trading stocks and options and crypto for free and having a simple way to, follow the market, then that's for you. Next one, Webull. It's best for low-cost trading. Webull's like letting investors trade stocks for free before it suddenly became the cool thing to do. But also offers commission-free trades on options and ETFs. Plus, this broker offers no-fee trades on cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin at all hours of the day and night. On top of that, investors can enjoy fully extended hours trading both morning and evening. Webull still passes on regulatory and exchange fees, which are small, not too much, think like a dime or two for many trades. Unlike some other investment apps, you'll be able to set up a taxable account as well as an IRA account, traditional, Roth, or rollover, giving you the flexibility to have more of your financial life at this broker. So if you prefer trading from your desktop, you can download the Webull platform, customize watch lists, check out charts, and manage your investments. So why I think you'd like this, if you like no commission trading across multiple asset classes, at any time the market is open, and the ability to set up an IRA with your investment app, then this is the one for you. But that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe, like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to see more content on personal finance and investing. I hope that some of you guys will try some of these apps, see which one works for you. And I hope this helps you with your investment journey. Remember, consistency is key. Hard work pays off. Thanks, guys. I'm Michael, and I'll see you in the next video.